perspective and what's your own opinion about this topic. I want to know from Mohit. What's your opinion?
Okay. Uh, as Lakshita delivered the really good thought that if you do not have the proper knowledge about anything and you are just saying it is that thing, or I know that is that, so that is your foolishness. You are showing your foolishness there. Okay, confidence is not everything, and confidence is not basically
One,
confidence do not make you
one thing
wiser.
I would like to add here, Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Confidence
Yeah,
without clarity makes the disaster.
yeah,
Yeah, sir, right.
yeah. Yeah.
Continue, continue. You continue.
Okay, so as sir also mentioned that. Okay, so that I think knowledge is the thing which makes you basically successful, which can help you to get success on any way. Okay, knowledge. If we see the definition of knowledge, so it basically means your experience, your thoughts, your gaining ability from books, what you gain from books. So this and this. So that's what I think. I'm totally agree with Lakshita and totally agree with Madhuri's point of view.
So you said that like knowledge is the most important rather than confidence.
No, confidence also is important. I'm not denying the fact that confidence is nothing. Confidence make you a person who can speak among the people, who can deliver that knowledge what he have or she have. Okay, confidence is something. But knowledge, but not everything we can say. Confidence है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि you have knowledge
Okay,
of
so your priority is
that.
knowledge and then after confidence. So okay,
Yeah.
now I'm come.
Okay. So I think that knowledge is very important, and confident both are very important. But if you have a knowledge, so then you can speak about that. And if you don't have knowledge, so how can you speak about anything? Means I totally agree. Means yeah, knowledge is very important.
Okay, you also prefer knowledge. So I want to know from Pallavi, what's your opinion?
Okay, so I think both are we should have combination in both of them because and from both, if I have to choose one, so I will prefer means knowledge because if we want to deliver the speech and if we want to share our knowledge with confidence, so we will share our knowledge and gain means double knowledge means. Always people always says that na ki if we share our knowledge so it will be double, so I think knowledge is very takes priority rather than confidence.
Okay, I totally agree with your opinion. So my next question from Nisha Didi. You differentiate between self-confidence and overconfidence.
Prachi, I want to answer your last question. I also want to answer. As we all said, no, that knowledge is
Okay.
more. That all prefer that knowledge is more important than rather than rather than confident. So I want to. I just I agree with that both is very important. But what I think is that at the initially level, you really need confidence, because if you want to gain knowledge, for that also you need confidence. So why we are considering that knowledge is more important than confidence? Because oh god, sorry for this, that there was call. Okay, so because for gaining knowledge or for achieving or for facing the difficulties that you are facing to gain knowledge, so you need confidence. So for the initial level, or to being warrior, or to being the consistent person to gain knowledge, to achieve knowledge, or to express your knowledge, or to get benefit by your knowledge, or to show or to explore yourself in the knowledge field. You need confidence. So why we are considering knowledge more than confidence? Because we have seen many examples who were very low, who were very very backward student in the school, but their confidence level was very high, and they are more successful than those who were very intelligent at their school level. So at that condition, if you find so confident is more than knowledge, because they have shown their confidence, they faced the challenge of the world, and they have made their career world demand. So by this we can say no, that confidence is more than knowledge. For some extent, I also don't
Yeah,
want to
Rakshita, I
clear their
really
point.
appreciate
I
your
just want to
thoughts.
put.
Yeah, of course. If you want to gain a knowledge, so you first of all you make your confidence level high, and then after you gain knowledge very easily. So that's great. My next question is, what is the most important confidence and knowledge in interview board? So my question from Nisha Didi.
Okay, it's nice. Which is the better? Your question is which is the better? Both
Better,
of.
yeah.
Okay, so uh, it is a short and sweet. I want to share. Universal groundwork is that true. It is the knowledge is among completely useless without confidence. Knowledge is means completely useless without confidence, and just opposite is that confidence as useless without knowledge.
So you clarify this statement. Which is better for interview?
For interview, I think that knowledge, it is a backbone for in front of interviewer, because without knowledge we can't stand in that place in front of interviewer, but on
Okay.
that place confidence level will be high. After then we can answer it any question, we comfort for answer it any question.
Okay, allow
Okay.
me to answer, please.
Okay.
Yeah, Nishadi, I agree with your points, Nishadi. Your points are very fair according to the situation. But if we see what are the interviews made for, basically the structure of interview is basically to see your etiquettes, your confidence, your personality. Okay, so if you are basically you need knowledge. I'm not denying that knowledge is nothing. But if I see on the perspective of interviewer, like who is taking the interview, so he want to see your confidence, not your knowledge, because in, whenever you take interview, so if you see the UPSC, just for example, if you see the UPSC structure, so your knowledge is checked already. Okay, your knowledge is already checked by your writing skill, by your written examination. Now the interview want to check your confidence, your personality, your etiquette. So the person, like, it doesn't mean that if you are qualified and you don't have the confidence, so basically you can't qualify the examination. That interview round is the most important round, I think. Okay, like, if we see so I think in that perspective, I would prefer confidence is the most important on that perspective. Confidence is the more important than knowledge that I see.
Yeah, Mohit, I totally agree with your opinion because interview board members are checking your confidence because if you talk about any competitive examination, so students have much knowledge about the syllabus and about their uh, study level. but they check your confidence. So I want to know from Lakshita, what's your opinion?
With both of you, because if someone is if any company or anyone or UPS interview, if they are conducting interviews, so definitely they are checking your confidence, definitely checking your personality. Because if they want to check your knowledge, so they can take exams, they can take written exam, they can take oral exam. But if they are taking interview, so definitely they want confident person, they want to check your personality. So I just agree with both of you.
And what's your opinion, Madhuri Didi?
As you all are saying, so I'm also agree with you all, because confidence is more important than the knowledge, because there are so many celebrities who are means first, you know what, when I think about the any agriculture field, okay, so there is a one farmer who is no do not knowing how to farm and how to be means develop their crops and goods, right? But still he is growing very nicely, right? So there is no knowledge about that, but he is knowing, he is having a confidence, and he is knowing that how to be build up the crops, right? So he will be get more beneficial about that. So there is also be a confidence, but we do not means understood of that. So there is no matter of the knowledge. But you know what, sometimes if we are saying about that, so knowledge is also be means not that much, but 40% is just very important for that, because without of the information about the particular thing, you cannot do find out of that much means confidently about that thing. But some interviews and some jobs, there is no matter about of your knowledge, because they already checked. But your confidence level must be, because they are checking your psychology, human psychology, what do you understand about that, your aptitude, your attitude, and these all the things. So it is most important for that. And most important source is that your psychology, because they understood in the interview sessions only one of how what type of personality you are in the initial level, none of matter of knowledge, right?
Yeah, Didi. Of course, interview boards and any jobs persons, we check your confidence, your thought process, and your psychology. What's your opinion about these jobs, and what's your perspective, and what will you do in future for this job? So this is really nice. So my next question is, most of the people said that every successful person is most confident. So what's your opinion about that? I want to know from Khushbu Didi. Khushbu Didi is not here. So my question from Pallavi. What's your opinion?
Okay, so agree with that thought. Means a confident person will success in their life. So what we see is that if any person have a confidence, means as Lakshita told that on the school level. So I also seen that they are backbenchers, and yeah, they are backbenchers, and they have more confidence. So they are now on the high level, and they are success in their life. So I think that confidence is confidence should be in any person for their success, and knowledge also.
Yeah, of course, every successful person is a confident person because they balance between knowledge and confidence, and they daily basis they gain a knowledge and make our confidence level high. So this is the very best thing for every successful person. So what's your opinion, Lakshita?
Every successful person is confident. This is
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so I agree with it. Means every can't say. I can say most of the successful people are confident. Because
Lakshita,
if
your
there
voice is
are
not
some
clear.
people, now is it? Hello, is it?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, okay. So yeah, so I think so. Most of these successful people are confident because as you all talk about celebrities and some that scientists also, if they are confident, so they can invent. Otherwise, they are not confident. So how can they invest their knowledge? How can they are able to invest some? Sorry, they are able to go against of society, against of anyone to invent something, to discover something, because it demand confidence. It at that time there's no use of. We can't say that it is only matter of knowledge. We need confidence. So yeah, but for some extent it is we can't say, because some are there who are not that much confident to speak in front of camera, to speak in front of to speak in the mic, but they have created history. So maybe because of their knowledge, I am not reminding any example, but if I will remind, so I will just inform you. But I think so. There would be someone who did something on the basis of knowledge rather than confidence. So we can say most of. I don't think that we should say every successful person are confident. So it would be better.
Okay. So, what's your opinion, Madhuri Didi?
can
What
I?
you say?
Okay. Can you please repeat
Then
Prachi
after Nisha
question?
Didi.
Okay.
Every successful person is a confident person.
Obviously, yaar, without confidence, he cannot find it their way. Because you know what? When if we are saying about the Alibaba company's founder, Jack Ma, right? So his first thing is that he do not knowing about how to be do their business, how to be start up their new businesses, right? But he has confidence. He just think about the entrepreneur. He is having a ideology, and this ideology he will make the Alibaba, and now is Alibaba is also be a very biggest industry, right? So he had confidence about to do something new and start up their own business. So their most important thing is that whoever the successful in their life in the another sectors, he is having first thing in their mind to be courageous, and then after he is confident towards what the means what they want to do. He is confident for that, so there is means of that. Every successful person is having a confident and is confident, right?
Okay. So, Nisha Didi, your turn.
Thank you. So my opinion is that towards every successful people have more confidence. So learning and because of the what successful people have more learn about this field, what on that field, and he has a research can help us to feel more confident about our ability to handle any situation and role and task. He defined that to time, and after then he becomes a more confident person.
Okay, Nisha Didi, that's good. I want to know from Mohit, what's your overall opinion about this topic, confidence versus knowledge? What's your perspective about this topic?
Okay. So actually, I'm kind of agree with Lakshita's thought. Actually, there are many introvert scientists who are basically like introvert in the sense they are not like they are not very social person. They have self esteem, by the way, but they are not socially that much confident to talk to people. So what I think about it, as Lakshita said, and I agree with Lakshita's point of view. You you need confidence, but there are some अपवाद क्या बोलते हैं अपन? There are some
Exception.
basically
Exception.
exceptions. There are some exceptions. Yeah, there are some exception, or they prove themselves actually. They in our history there are person who proved themselves. So that's what I want to say.
Okay, that's great. All the members have prepared well, and your thoughts are very well organized and very good. So, confidence and knowledge is a very controversial top. This is a very controversial topic because you can't define knowledge is best and confidence is the best. Because both are the interrelated each other, and both are the most important parts in our success. And if you have both are the things and both are the qualities, so you achieve your success in your future and live a very happy life. So thank you very much for listening